Hello everyone, this is the Automation Mentor. So you've built a sales funnel and its core purpose is to sell something, a digital course, a coaching service, a physical product. The landing page gets their attention, the sales page builds the desire. But the most critical moment happens right here on the order form. This is where a visitor becomes a customer. In this video, we're going to walk through exactly how to set up the engine of your sales funnel, creating your product, building a trustworthy order form, and making sure you can actually get paid. The very first thing we need to do is tell ClickFunnels what we're selling. Inside your order form step, you'll find a Products tab. This is your digital inventory. Here is where you define everything about the item you're offering. When you add a product, you'll see several important fields. First, the product name. This is what the customer sees on the form, so make it clear. Now, this one is key, the description. This is the text that will appear on your customer's credit card or bank statement. Make it recognizable to your brand or product to prevent confusion and potential chargebacks. Next, you see options for a one-time payment, subscription, or payment plan. For most standard sales, you'll be using one-time, but the power to create recurring revenue with subscriptions is built right in. Payment plan allows you to split the total price of a product into multiple recurring payments over a set period of time. Next is the price. Self-explanatory, but always double-check it. With our product created, let's shape the page where our customer will make their purchase. The order form isn't just a place to collect money, it's a final point of trust. Your goal here is to remove any friction or doubt. In the editor, you'll see elements that are unique to this type of page. You'll have the standard name and email fields, but also credit card input forms and an order summary. You can even add a product selector if you offer multiple options. Ensure everything is clear and easy to navigate. This is a great place to add final trust signals, like a security badge, a money-back guarantee, or a short testimonial. Every element should make the customer feel safe and confident in their decision to buy. Now for the most critical piece of the puzzle, getting paid. Your order form is just a form until you connect it to a payment processor. ClickFunnels itself doesn't handle the money, it securely connects to a service that does. This is usually Stripe or PayPal via Payments AI. Payments AI is ClickFunnels' built-in, multi-gateway payment platform that lets you manage transactions, routing, subscriptions, failed payment recovery, and reporting, all from one centralized hub inside ClickFunnels. We won't go deep into it right now, but we'll cover it in more detail in upcoming videos. Now think of it like this. ClickFunnels builds the beautiful, high-converting storefront, and Stripe is the secure credit card machine you plug into it. You'll set this integration up once in your main account settings, and it will be available for any funnel you build. Once the payment is successful, the journey isn't over. The customer is immediately sent to your order confirmation page. This page is vital for reducing buyer's remorse and clarifying what happens next. A great confirmation page should do three things. First, clearly confirm the purchase with an order summary. Second, tell them the exact next steps, like check your email for your login details or your product will ship within 48 hours. And third, provide a way to contact you for support. This assures them that you're there to help. Finally, before you go live and send a single person to your funnel, you absolutely must test it. Your payment gateway like Stripe will have a test mode. By enabling this, you can go through your own funnel as if you were a customer, fill out the order form using special test credit card numbers, and ensure the entire flow works perfectly from the sale to the confirmation page. This step is not optional. It will save you from lost sales and major headaches. And that's the setup. By creating a product, building a trustworthy order form, connecting a payment gateway, and providing a clear confirmation, you've built a reliable and professional machine for making sales. You're now ready to start taking payments and growing your business with ClickFunnels. So now you have the blueprint to get paid with your funnel. If you're ready to put this into practice, I've put a direct link to a free trial for ClickFunnels right in the description for you to get started. If you got value from this walkthrough, do me a quick favor and hit that like button. It tells YouTube this was a helpful video. Make sure you subscribe, drop a comment below, and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next one. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.